Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how we can run our Flutter web app on a specific port. By default when you run Flutter on a web, it starts on a random port. So but we need to run it on a specific port. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So this is, as you can see, my project's details. So here I have a file .vscode, and inside this VS Code we have launch.json. Okay, in case you are not able to find this here, so how you can go this? So you need to go to the terminal. Sorry, you run. Then you need to go to the add configurations, and you will land on this file. Okay, so now in this file we need to add these arguments. Okay, so these arguments are d web, sorry, chrome dash dash web port. Suppose I need to run it on a 5000 port. Okay, so that's it. Now let's run it. Okay, so now why do we need this specific port? Because sometimes you might need to run it on a specific port, because suppose you are adding Google login. At the time of Google login, you specify your local host for debugging in the Google Cloud Console, right? So at that time, you might need to specify a specific port so you can debug Google login in your web project. So that's why you need these arguments to run it on a specific port. As you can see, it ran on a specific port, right? So that's it, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe it, like it, and comment on it, because next time I'm going to make a video how we can make a music player app. Okay, so make sure you subscribe it and get notification about it. Okay, thank you guys.